Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am preparing to you a very delicious, healthy, famous recipe in the Arab kitchen. Today we will see how to make hummus and I will show you the secrets of this recipe. If this is your first time here, please check the other delicious recipes in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. That's all and let's start cooking. Subscribe. That's all and let's start cooking. Okay, here we have a half kilo of chickpeas. I washed it up and I'm gonna put it in a soak for 12 hours. Here's how it looks after 12 hours in water. Now we're gonna put it in a bowl over medium-high heat and add enough water. The highest of water must reach 5 centimeters over the chickpeas and start cooking it. Start boiling. You're gonna see a white foam like this and take it off and put a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate and we're gonna leave it cooking. The cooking time can vary a lot and it may take half an hour up to 2 hours. It's depend of the chickpeas quality and quantity. The important thing before it's well cooked, take out a little chickpeas to drain it later. Quantity. The important thing you need to know is keep cooking it until they are tender. We take one and press it with our fingers. So if it's soft, that means the chickpeas is ready. Take it out. When it's well done, take it out from the hot water and put it on a cold water. Why we do that? I'm gonna tell you the secret of that. If you wanna have a creamy soft garbanzo or creamy soft hummus, we must get rid of the chickpeas skin, and putting it in a cold water will help us to get rid of the skin easy and fast. After that, put it in a blender and blend it. Try not to put water with it, but if you put a little bit, then it's okay. If you want to keep the garbanzo for another day, you can do it now. But if you're gonna use it today, let's see what else we have. To prepare hummus, we're gonna need 3 ice cube, 1 spoon of tahini, sesame sauce, and 1 spoon of lemon juice, and a little bit of salt. And mix it all together. Now you're asking why we are putting the ice cube. And this is the second secret on this recipe. The ice cube gives al hummus the white color. As you can see, al hummus have a yellow color, but when you use the ice, it will change the color to white. Now, if you don't have an ice, you can use a cold water. You can use a cold water. And that's how we make we put a little of chickpeas grains on it, some sumac, and a little bit of olive oil. That's all for today, my friends. And if you have any questions, please put it on the comment below. Thank you and goodbye.